Well, hello, Derby World. Day number 2 of Blizzard Bash 2019. We're up in the inspection line right now. We're going to take a look at some of the limited weld cars in the inspection line, ready for inspection. So let's take a look at them. Sneak on through here. Take a look at some of these. It's a pretty nice car. Pretty impressive. A couple of Crown Vics right here, look like. Look at them bumpers. Them are crazy. Wow. It's a lot better weather this year for these guys. Look at that creasing. Nice looking car. It's a nice looking car. Yep. Nice car. Is this yours or this one? This is yours? This is yours? Nice cars. Nice. I love the sport. I love it. Yeah? This is going on my YouTube channel. I got that's my YouTube channel. I did it last year. I kind of don't get so close because you guys are going into tech, so I don't post them up until after it's all over, anything like that. But
he does it to us in Michigan all the time.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yep.
I just decided to follow him all the way down to Canada.
Had to check it out. Oh, that looks pretty awesome. That's a, yeah. Oh yeah. I put it on I put the Prelude yesterday on, and then I put this on. I'll put it on probably later on tonight or tomorrow morning. I do it every day. I go out, I do it here, and then I go out into the pits, then I do the pit barn. I just do a whole, yeah, yep. I did it last year, so it's pretty cool. I get a kick out of it. I watch so much of it. I love it. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. What year is that car?
9802.
Yeah? How much time did it take for you to actually build this car?
Me and my boy right there, the kid that you were talking to.
Yeah.
We, and then I got one other guy that helps me pretty solid, but the three of us built this car in about 50 days.
Really? Non-stop or?
Every day.
Every day?
Well, every night and then every weekend.
Wow.
It's pretty much solid for about 50 days.
Dang. That's a lot of work.
On a limited weld.
Yeah.
So.
And they do the same thing up there in Michigan. I mean, oh, it's crazy, yeah. The amount of time and the money and the parts and everything you guys put into these things. It's crazy how far the sport of Derby, because for like 30 years ago, man, it wasn't nothing like this at all.
It's pretty sick what a guy can dream up.
Yep. Look, I'm from Michigan. Chris is my name.
Curtis.
Okay.
Lindsberg, Kansas.
All right. Nice to meet you. Good luck out there tonight.
My buddy back there, Kenneth Edwards, he's from Arkansas.
Okay.
And then John Sowers is the 4th car back.
All right.
He's from Nebraska, and Jason Fisk is from Nebraska. That's our team.
Sweet. Well, good luck tonight, man. Good luck. Other Vic looks like. Oh, here comes one down. Old Cadillac looks like. Oh, he's going inside. Oh, he's coming this way. That's a pretty sick looking Cadillac. Pretty cool. Wow. Nice car. He's coming in. Pretty sick looking car, man. There's one of the trucks in Tech Line. Like a Ford. Looks like it. Let's walk up this way. Yep. This looks like a Dodge. Yeah. Looks like a Dodge. Oh, wow. Pretty sick looking car, man. Wow. Man. Pretty sick, pretty sick. Oh, that's a nice paint job there. Love the paint job. Love that paint job. Nice paint job. Is this yours? Is it? That's pretty cool. What year is that? 9802? Is this a 9802 Vic or 93 Lincoln? Pretty sweet. Yeah? You from around here? What state are you from? Nebraska? That's gonna get put on YouTube. I put it on my YouTube channel. It'll be probably later on tonight. I just do a prelude, get all the cars. I'm Chris from Michigan.
Nice to meet you, Chris.
Second year here watching it, and I'm hooked. Yeah, this is kick butt.
6th year of driving down here.
Is it? Looks like a pretty stout car. Looks pretty stout, man.
This needs to be. I don't know. It's pretty stout cars down here.
Yeah, I know. I know. Yep. Good luck. This car we seen yesterday out there in the pits. Looks like they added a little more pink to it. Man, look at that setup in there. Got a propane. Looks like a propane tank. That's pretty kick butt, man. What we got here? Wow. Get it! Hey! Hey! How you doing?
You better be. How are you, brother? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, finally.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm riding it now.
Oh, I see that.
Yeah, she's trying to get a ride with some meddling around here.
They're like me, your husband left you behind. I'm like, yeah, I took off.
Yeah.
You're on YouTube right now.
You're on YouTube.
YouTube.
Yep.
Yes, in channel live. Facebook World.
Yeah.
We're gonna roll. We ain't rolling much.
Wow. Pretty sick looking, man. Look at that pointy bumper on that. Wow. He's got 2 batteries in there. Man. Looks like a Buick. Yeah, I think that's a Buick. There's cars lined all the way up here. All the way up. And look at that setup in there. That's crazy. Crazy, crazy. Pretty nice looking car. Got a nice protector in there. It's pretty nice. Wow. Big pointy bumper. Man, look at that crease job. That's crazy. They're lined all the way back there. And we're gonna go on this other. No, we'll go on, stay on this side.
The car did that here, the outlaw car. It's just stupid, all of it semi.
Nice car. Nice car. Wow. They chopped the rear end right off a little bit. Pretty crazy. We got them on the other side too. Kind of walk around that one too. Nice car. My goodness. Wow. There is so much work that goes into these cars. It's amazing. Absolutely amazing. We're going to kind of go ahead a little bit. It's crazy. If you never have made it down to this show, you have to come to it. There are no words to describe this show. It is amazing. Oh, here's some old, really old school cars right here. Check these out. That is really old. Man, it's like 1950s. That's crazy. Wow. That's pretty neat. What year is this? 1958. Wow. Etzel? That's both Etzel? That is pretty awesome. I've never seen one derbied before. Never, ever, ever. Where are you from? Wow. My name's Chris, by the way. Okay, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I just put this up on my YouTube channel so you guys can watch it. It's just a Prelude video. Pretty awesome, man. Good luck.
Thank you.
They look pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. Wow. Check them out. That's pretty cool. There's one of the trucks. There are so many cars here. Look at that bumper. Wow. Darn. Pretty neat. Pretty neat. Looks like a town car. No, that's a Vic. A lot of stuff to look at. These cars go all the way up. All the way up. It's insane. Pretty insane. Wow. Man, look at that. That Cadillac right here too. Yep. A lot of cars, man. Well, there you have it, guys. That is a walkthrough of the pits for the Limited Weld teams for Friday night show at Blizzard Bash 2019. Probably going to make another video a little bit later of more cars coming in, so stay tuned. Oh, here comes one out right now. Hang on. Here we come. Alrighty. Now I'm going to be signing off. The next video will be in the pit barn in a little bit. Catch y'all later. See ya.